Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here and I'm here today with a new video and I'm super excited because this is going to be my kitchen tour for summer and I can't wait for you guys to see what my kitchen looks like, how I transformed it for summer. It's not very much for those who are used to my channel, but I just want to bring you guys a little bit of color, a little bit of brightness, and I hope you enjoy this tour. So let's go in. So as many of you guys know that we went minimal here in our house last year and we decided to get rid of things that we did not need, things that was just want, and things that would bring in clutter in my home. So you're going to see that my kitchen is very minimal. There's not a lot of stuff, but I love to decorate. So that brings you to my table here, which for this summer I decided to add these beautiful Dollar Tree plates with the Dollar Tree bowl, and I also embellished it a little bit with some what is it called, napkin from Amazon that I purchased also last year. And I love the pop of blue. As you know, I have lots of blue here in my home. I have navy blue, that's my accent color, but I decided to bring this plate and the bowl, and I love just the way it brings everything together. And let me give you guys a close-up on guys, I just love the way the kitchen looks. My kitchen, guys, as we are going to go a little bit further, it's not very big, guys. It's very small, but I love it because it's an open concept, so it doesn't feel this small. The Dollar Tree plate that I was talking to you guys about, just bringing some color. It does not cost a lot of money, but it's just a little bit of fun in your home. And I will totally do this again next year, or bring maybe pop of yellow, but I'm loving the blue and the green mixed together. So these plates I got from the Dollar Tree, and the bowl as I mentioned before, and I just love the simplicity of it. I have no fork or no knife or any silverware there. I just like it to be the way it is. And my chairs, let me go back. My chairs are from American Furniture Warehouse, and these chairs, I love them because they're very inexpensive, but I love the fact that they have the studded on there, and then the legs are brown, and also the gray color on there because I have 3 little ones, and this is like a breakfast nook. This is where we eat, and we have a formal dining room table which is upstairs. We don't eat there all the time, but my kids can be messy because they're little kids, so when they mess up I don't have to worry because this chair is very forgiving. I can just come and clean it and it should be good to go. So I love these chairs. Again, they're from American Furniture Warehouse. If they still have it in stock, I will link it below, or let me know if you're interested and I will link it below. So we have 5 of these chairs and I just love it. Let's go forward. So guys, my cabinet, if you are interested, I can do a video for you guys. My cabinet were this light khaki, kind of light brown color, because that was the builder's color. When we purchased the house, we actually built a house and we decided to just keep the cabinet that way because it was going to be expensive for them to paint it. So I went and I got me some Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and I can definitely do a video for you guys to show you guys how the before of this cabinet looked like. And I added the handles on there. So it was Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white, and I painted it, and it was since last year, and I love the fact that it's like farmhouse chic and a little bit country-ish. Because of the white, and the white is not like a pure glossy white, it's a little bit like satin, so I just love that. So that's my cabinet right there. If you are interested, I just thought I would let you guys know that these were not the original color. Now let's go forward. Now on my table here I have a cake stand of which I keep cookies and things like that for my kids to enjoy. And here I just brought a little bit pop of pink just to bring into season of summer, and I love that. I think as we get deep into summer I might change a little bit and add some yellow flowers. I just think it brings so much joy, that color, but I'm not that bold to bring yellow in my home. So here I have this thing that says catch me by the sea. Obviously summer, water, fish, crab, sea. And most of my things, guys, if you are interested, are from the Goodwill, and I shopped my home. I looked around to see what I had, and I just redecorate with what I had. Most of them are from the Goodwill, like the cake the cake stand, and this tray right here is from the Goodwill. So is this fruit bowl, and also the knife stand and the tray that the knife is on. My flour is from Home Goods, and I just love the fact that it's white on white. It's simple. My knife stand, I actually did it myself. This was a DIY. The knife stand was like, you know, your normal brown knife stand, and I painted it white, which I love. Like I said, this tray is from Goodwill as well, so I don't know what the brand of that. My backsplash is from Amazon, which is just peel and stick, and I just love the way that looks on here. So let's turn you guys around. So here I have this Goodwill. It's like a little cake stand. I had bought it from Goodwill, and the soap holder or the soap dispenser is from the Dollar Tree, and so is this. I added some sanitizer in there. It's from the Dollar Tree as well, and I just love the pop of yellow that's on the sponge, which I got from the Dollar Tree as well. Like I told you guys previously, we went minimal in my home, so I don't have a lot of things in my cabinet. I have the necessities, and I got rid of a lot of things, so I can show you guys a little bit what's in the cabinet. So in the cabinet here, I basically have my seasoning that I keep here. I don't have a lot of seasoning because I have a men's seasoning that does great. I have my kids, you know, milk and milk bottles, and then I also have all of wine glasses, and we're just missing a couple of these. So this is it. I have my catering stuff, like when I want to host, I just keep all my things in here, and these are like bowls which I use to wash meat and clean rices and things like that before I serve. We here have a popcorn holder, which I love, guys. For summer, having movie night at home, top notch. And I got those from the Dollar Tree I'm sorry, I got those from Goodwill as well. It was a set of 4, which is perfect for a family. So let's go over there now. So guys, in this cabinet, we don't have much in there, so I don't need to show you that. There's nothing in there really. But it's in this cabinet that we do have all my main plates and my main dishes. I have all my, you know, plate that we use every day in the house, and any other plate that we could use to host is usually upstairs. But I have my plates and my bowls, and let me show you guys a close-up of that. So this is it, guys. Just our regular plates and bowls. We eat breakfast, cereal, lunch, whatever. This is all we utilize in the house, which I love because it's simple and it's enough for us. So guys, I did do a cabinet clean out, cabinet or pantry clean out, and I also decluttered and went through everything. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and look at the previous video before this one. Was my cabinet rearrangement and pantry rearrangement. So my pantry is very simple, it's very small, so I have to make it work for us. I have to maximize it to the best ability that it could be because it's super small. So I mean, look at it. That's it. So I don't have any other space, so I have to make sure whatever we have is what we eat all the time, is what we cook all the time, and I can go ahead and rotate and make sure nothing is expired. So I love that about that because it's small, I can see everything. I'm telling you guys, whatever you have, embrace it. Don't say your place is too small, your house is too small, your bedroom is too small. Make it work for you. So I love my cabinet, guys. Pantry, I'm sorry, we say cabinet, so pantry. I love my pantry, guys. Let me show you guys a close-up. So basically in the bottom, all I have is my pot and pan, and if you want to see a full detail of all of that, I had a video previously called a minimal kitchen tour, so you can definitely check that out. But yes, this is all we have, guys, and I love it. I love the fact that it's minimal. I love the fact that it's clean. I love the fact that I don't have a lot of things going on. As I mentioned in previous videos, I hate clutter. This is why we went minimal. The less is better for me, and oof, I can't. I can't stand clutter. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I appreciate you guys. If this is the very first time you are seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button. I do lifestyle video, house tours, cleaning. If you like things like this, definitely click on that subscribe button. Do not forget also to click on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming your way. Don't forget also the like button so that this video can do great. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. God bless you all. Bye, guys.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just